Look at the diagram. There are 5 circles that are tangent to each other. The largest circle has a diameter of 4 inches. Two smaller circles have diameters of 2 inches. Find out the diameter of the smallest circle, that is this circle. The diagram has been enhanced for better visibility. The centers of the 5 circles have been marked as C, C1, C2, C3 and C4. AC, that is from here to here, is radius of the large circle, and this radius is 2 inches. It is given. AC2, which is same as C2C1, which is same as CC1, and that is equal to C1B. All of these are equal to radius of the small yellow circles, and each is equal to the radius of the yellow circle being 1 inch, each is equal to 1 inch. The two yellow circles with centers at C2 and C1 are touching each other, and also the large outer circle. Without loss of generality, the line AB can be assumed to be horizontal. That is, just we take AB to be horizontal. If it is not already horizontal, turn the whole figure to make it horizontal. This will not alter the problem. Before going any further, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell so you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It's completely free and only takes a few seconds. And you can always unsubscribe later if you want to. Also, if you know about any interesting problems that you would like me to solve, please upload it in your comments. Without further ado, let's proceed with the rest of the video. Then, the tangent lines drawn at A, B and C, that is this tangent line, this tangent line and this tangent line, being perpendicular to the radii at the points of tangency, will be vertical, because this line is horizontal and this is perpendicular to that, this is also perpendicular to that, this is also perpendicular to that. So all the three tangents are perpendicular to the horizontal line or they are vertical. Thus, centers C2, C and C1 will all lie on the same horizontal line AB. So this establishes the fact that this line AB will also contain the center C2, center C1, and obviously it has already the center C. The tangent line CD drawn at the point C is vertical and from symmetry will pass through the center C3 of the green circle. Now, the green circle is tangent to both the yellow circles, and there is no reason to say that it will be tilted to one side and not tilted to the other side. From symmetry, it will be, its center will be on the vertical line at the point C. CD is the radius of the outer circle, that is CD is the radius of the outer circle, which is 2 inches. If the radius of the green circle is R3, that is, if this radius is R3, then C3D is R3. That is, C3D is R3. So, CD is equal to CC3 plus C3D. That is, CD is CC3 plus CD3. Therefore, CD is equal to CC3 plus R3. We have just now found out that C3D is R3. Or CC3 is equal to CD minus R3. That is 2 minus R3. The circles being tangent to each other, line C2, C3, that is this line, will pass through the point of tangency at E, and therefore its length will be sum of the radii of the two touching circles. That is, C2, C3 is equal to C2E plus C3E, and that is equal to 1 plus R3. Why? Because C2E is the radius of the yellow circle, which is given to be 1 inch, and C3E is the radius of the green circle, which you have taken as R3. So, C2 C3 whole square is equal to 1 plus R3 whole square. From the diagram, angle C2 C3, that is this angle, is 90 degree. Therefore, we have C2 C3 whole square is equal to C2C whole square plus CC3 whole square from Pythagorean theorem, and that is equal to 1 plus 2 minus R3 whole square. Why? Because we had found out earlier CC3 is equal to 2 minus R3. So we get an equation 1 plus R3 whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 minus R3 whole square, or 1 plus R3 square plus 2R3 is equal to 1 plus 4 plus R3 square minus 4R3. Rearranging terms, we get 6R3 is equal to 4, or R3 is equal to 2 by 3 inches. Now CC3 is equal to 2 minus R3, and that is 2 minus 2 by 3, and that is equal to 4 by 3 inches. So CC3 is, this distance is 4 by 3 inches. All corner angles being 90 degree, quadrilateral C4, C3, C and C2, that is this quadrilateral, is a rectangle. Therefore, C2, C4, that is this, is equal to CC3, that is equal to this, is equal to 4 by 3 inches. If the radius of the small blue circle is R4, then C2, C4, that is this, which is sum of the radii of the blue and yellow circles, that is equal to R4 plus 1 inches. Therefore, R4 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 3, or R4 is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1, and that is equal to 1 by 3 inches. So, the diameter of the smallest circle is 2 by 3 inches. That is the answer. Thank you.